tide height calculations, practice problem 2. On 15 October, you'll be docking Southern Branch Elizabeth River, VA at first low tide. The berth is located between this station and this station. What time will you be docking? We set it up just like the first one, but this time you notice the 15th. So be careful here, that's important. On the 15th, and then just below it, it says first low tide. First low. And it wants the time. Okay, so again, you're docking between 60 and 48. They're all set up this way. So we'll just keep setting them up this way. 60 and 48. So what is the time of the first low tide on the 15th, according to DO63NG? So the 15th is now the second row down, and it's the first low on the 15th. So here's the time of the first low, and it is 3. So on 60, 15th, first low, time is 3. 3 p.m., 3 a.m. It's 24-hour clock. This is 3 a.m. So, and here's 48. We got the 15th time of the first low. So it says 3:01. 3:01. Okay. Well, there's 1 minute between that. If you divide it by 2 to get an average, you get 30 seconds, which is like 0.5 minutes. You're at 30 seconds. I would round it to 3:01, right? If you add 30 seconds to 3, you're halfway between. I'm going to say 3:01 is the answer. Let's check that out. Look at that. There's a 3:01. Don't be confused by the 4:01. And there's these times. I'm saying 2 is B, 3:01. 2 is B, 3:01. Okay, let us keep cruising to practice problem 4. See you there.